Try Sean's Vault free for 14 days. I want to show off my Montana cap right here. Brand new. Hello, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. This is a Pilates for football conditioning workout. Been doing a lot less filming lately because one of the big projects I'm working on is a new book focused on why Pilates for athletes, why Pilates for football conditioning, why Pilates for athletic conditioning. So here's a short flow here. I want to share with you the power of Pilates. I want you to do it solo, do it with your team, do it with your coaches. Just make sure you do it. I was watching college football yesterday with my wife. She went to LSU, go Tigers, and watching them run and change direction and sprint and catch and tackle, and always has me thinking, I hope they know about the many benefits of Pilates. It's all body weight. It's great for everyone. It can be done anywhere at any time, building core strength, endurance, flexibility, control, balance, and a whole lot more. Talk is cheap. By the way, you want to continue before I give more stuff out. I already have my 30-day Pilates challenge. It's on the screen in the About section below. But practice these with me and let me know your feedback after you are done. Thanks for watching. Thanks for doing the workout with me, and I'll be right back. Montana cap is on. We are talking total body conditioning here. So do these in real time with me. These exercises, breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Come on down for the Pilates 100. Heels together, toes apart. Point the feet, arms forward. Stabilize from your strong core. Abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. 100 pulses. Breathe in for 5, out for 5. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do one more set of 10. Slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold right here. 3 breaths. Pull the belly button in as you exhale. In the nose, out the mouth. In the nose, out the mouth. Zip up the legs. Itch your nose. How many of you just itched your nose? Fess up to it. Okay. Rocking up for the roll-up. Take the legs forward. Legs together, draw the toes towards you. Take the shoulders back and down. Good alignment. Keep your neck nice and long. Exhale, reach up and over the toes. Don't touch the toes. Go over. You're going to pull your belly button into your spine to really stretch out your back. Now inhale up, tuck the chin. Let's roll it down, one vertebra at a time. Slowly unwind. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, peel off the mat and continue. Let's do 4 more. Elongate the spine. Take your time rolling down like a wheel. That's how the spine rolls. And then you want effortless movement. 3 more. Control, precision, and flow. They will definitely give you a huge edge on the field. 2 more times. You could take a little break right here, a little pause, and then peel off the mat. Oh, that's tougher, isn't it? Okay, I gotta get going here. Let's do 1 more. We come up and off the mat. Big stretch, big stretch. Take the arms a little wider. Take an extra breath. As you exhale, belly button into the spine. And we're gonna come down for single leg circles. Bring the right leg up, left leg out, or left foot flat. Hands here under the hips or to the back of the head. Circle 10 times. Each direction, the size of a frisbee. Inhale around. Exhale at 12 o'clock. Here's 4. Forgive my counting. 5. Stabilize the center. 6. 7. Is it burning? 8. A lot of flexibility here. 9 and 10. Other direction. It is astounding what we can do with only our body. The greatest gym we will ever have right here. what we can accomplish in a short amount of time, just in a few minutes, to give you such great strength and energy and power. I've lost count. Let's switch sides. I want you to pull this leg towards you, reach as high as you can, extend the left leg away, and now switch. Circle to the left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I'll just count. 4, 5. In the nose, out the mouth. 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's beautiful. 9, 10. Wiggle your toes. Take out the tension. Other direction. 10 times. 1, 2, 3. Are they burning? 4. Oh, you betcha. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch that leg. We're going to move into single straight leg stretch. 10 times. 2 pulses. Pulse, pulse, switch. 2, 3, 4. Stabilize. 5. All that beautiful flexibility in the legs. 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, corkscrew. Heels together, toes apart, like the Pilates 100. Hands under the hips, back of the head, or here. Circle 10 times to the right. Bend the knees to modify. I guarantee it's gonna pull on your abdominals, on your lower back. 6, stirring peanut butter. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reach up for a moment. Let's go the other direction. Good. Precise flowing movements. Whatever you do on the mat will translate to the field. Do 10. I'm going to do 5 more. 7, 8. Oh, that's good. 9 and 10. Reach, 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 reach. Okay, let's bring it up. Woo. And over. Switch the cap. Don't want to take up too much of your time. Let's come on down. The breaststroke. Arms to the sides. It's like swimming. Legs together. Let's build and stretch out the back. Inhale forward. Open the legs. Exhale, pull back. There's 1. Let's do 10. 2. 3. Control. 4. 5. 5 more. 6. 7. Good. 8. Lengthen. 9 and 10. Let's combine swimming and the Pilates push-ups. 4 swims. We lift opposite arm, opposite leg, lower. 2, 3, 4. Make a big movement out of this. Press up to plank and walk back. We're going to rise up, chin to the chest, shoulders back and down, dive. Walk it out. Press the weight forward, lower down, little power yoga move. 4 swims. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work the body as a whole. W-H-O-L-E. W-O-L-D. Dive down. Keep it going. Keep it going. Link these movements together. 2, 3, 4. Up. Walk back. Let's do 2 more of those. 2 more, my friends. Tuck the chin. Feel that spine release. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Walk it back. Bend the knees to modify. And once more. We're going to bring it down. Let's do 10 swims. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press up. Walk it back. Rising up. Whew, a couple shoulder rolls. And let's end it right there, my friends. If you want to add a little extra credit at the end, take the knees wide, stretch out your back, child's pose. In the nose, out the mouth, release tension in your back. One more breath. All right. I hope that helped, my friends. Remember, it's me, Coach Vigue, working on a new book. So I wanted to get some of these short workouts out there. Pilates for some kind of athletic conditioning. Don't have a title yet, but we're working on it. I'll keep you posted. Get on my 30-day Pilates challenge, Pilates Body Challenge. Link is up there in the About section below. As I said, I was watching college football yesterday, and I kept coming through my mind, are they doing Pilates? I hope they are doing some kind of Pilates, because Pilates is for everybody. It's very accessible, it's available, it's so effective, and I'm privileged to be the one to bring it to you and your team and your coaching staff and your school, football club, wherever you are playing, whatever field you're playing on in the country, in the world. Pilates is for you. By the way, have you been listening to my new podcast? You have? Well, I don't have to tell you anything more, but if you haven't, link is up there. It's at SeanVigueFitness.com. Look above for podcast. I already have about 8 or 9 episodes out. Just the beginning. It's called Fitness Unleashed with Sean. It's been a few years in the coming, but it's a great way to bring information to you, to discuss ideas and topics and flesh things out, health and fitness and beyond. All right, that's enough. I'm going to go work out inside for a while. Check in below. What'd you think of the workout? Keep me posted. Be doing a lot more in the future with Pilates for athletic conditioning, especially for football too. God bless, my friends. Own my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes. Over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies.